Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, your German trainer. This is Neha. So today you will learn the ordinal Zahlen in German. So how to use? I will show you. Add TE with cardinal numbers. Now you think, what are the cardinal numbers? Cardinal numbers in German are ein, zwei, drei, vier, fünf. So with that numbers, we use TE with cardinal numbers to make ordinal Zahlen, ordinal numbers. So how are they? Eins, erste. But one is exception. One is exception. One is not in einste. One is erste. Two, zweite. Three, dritte. Vier, vierte. Fünfte. Sechste, siebte, not siebente. Please look at that. Not siebente. But we say cardinal number in German seven as sieben. But in ordinal Zahlen, we not say siebte. Not say siebente, but we say siebte. 8, achte. 9, neunte. So now we'll think, what is the purpose of this number? When we use or when we say the dates in German, we use ordinal Zahlen and the positions like first position, second position, then we use ordinal Zahlen. So if you like my video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye.